Okay, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks Part 2. I had to let this load, and it did it right after I clicked off of it, but it's better to make. So now I fill this in. So now we have a good graphic. Now it might be too rough, but see, it's gotten rid of some of the outer parts, but I think it's going to be pretty good. So what you want to do, you want that back in its color. And now I already have a flag brought in, but I'm gonna show you how I found that flag. I'm gonna go to flag, waving flag. And I'm gonna go to tools. Well, first I need to go to images and then tools and then get size. And I want large. And that one's too wavy for me. So I'm gonna right click on that one. That one looks okay. I'm gonna right click and copy image. I'm gonna go back to Corel and I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna paste the image in view. So there it is, it's quite large. I'm gonna make it littler. Now we don't have to do anything to it. We just need to make sure this is covering what we want to cover. So I'd put it like, okay, and you can see it's in the back of the page because you can't see it. So go to Object Order Front of Page. It has to be in the front of page for this to work. And you could play around with it. And like I said, you could smooth it off. And matter of fact, that's one thing I like about the intersect tool is we're still going to have it again. So I'm going to go to intersect and there's our flag, distressed flag. Now, let's say we don't want it that distressed. Left click, right click. Let's zoom in here and get the smoothing tool and just kind of smooth it out a little bit. Well, I'm going to make it like 10 inches. The bigger your nib, the more it's going to do this. And it's so rough, it doesn't look like it's really doing anything, but it is. Because you can see when you click off of it. So if you got too much, now we've got some little tattered parts on the inside of it. And you can see them like right up in here, and you can either keep them or not. I think if we grab this and go up to object and break the curve apart and then just grab the outside and move it down, look what we left, all those little pieces. Now, as long as it fills in with color, we're good. Take away the outline. And this is why I love the intersect tool. I've got my flag, I've got my product, I can intersect it again, and then I could do it over and over and over and over and over. My laptop's a little slow tonight. Let's try it one more time. Tell you what, let's reduce this in size. Whoop, I got the other one. You want to make sure you just have two objects selected and go to intersect. You know what, maybe I didn't press intersect was the problem. So here are the two flags side by side, and the one that's really, really rough compared to the other one. When I click off of it, it don't look so bad. See, it's got some actual broken, that would be pretty cool. It just depends on which one you like. So that's the whole process. I actually, think that was a lot of work to get to there, but that's what he was picking. If you didn't watch part one, because it'd be kind of hard to generate that. But anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.